Sinabi ni Paul, the investment we have invested in the Lord are not worthy to be compared of the glory that shall be revealed at the day of the coming of our Lord Jesus Christ. Bakit? Pag makasali ka sa first resurrection, that is already forever glory. That is already forever assurance that you will never go to hell. Starting pa lang. And there are more events and glories that shall be revealed sa buhay ng bawat isa. Until matapos man ang mundong ito, hahatulan man ng Diyos ang mga tao na hindi sumampalataya sa Kanya. But you will be with Him forever and ever. That is an assurance of salvation. Kaya magandang mag-invest sa langit